Hi! In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in the Samsung voice recorder app. Then, install this one from this developer and open it. Following that, click on the red button and select Allow in the pop-up. As you can see after that, recording is on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on the middle button. From here you can also delete it right away by choosing discard or save it. If you wish to, you can always play it and click on this little icon on the left to add a bookmark. Now you can type in wherever you wish to or not at all and click on OK. If you wish to end it, click on the check mark and tap on save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully added. If you wish to play it, you need to click on it. Then, if you wish to rename it, you need to go back, click on those three dots, choose rename option and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. Then choose OK. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to click on the same three dots, tap on delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!